Karim, yeah, I still need to thank you. I still need to thank you. I still need to appreciate you because what you are doing is not easy. Not everybody can do it. Mr. Karim, no one can do it. I've been in UAE long time. Even last year, my money was taken 2 times from fake people, for fake agents, for crazy people. So I have the reason why I'm thanking you. Mr. Karim, whatever you said is always coming. You know, one thing you didn't observe that when you say something, you always make it possible. And people appreciate that. You understand? People appreciate that. To be sincere with you, whenever you say things, it always come. Why I'm thanking you, you always say the truth. You always say the truth. If you can do this, if you can't do this, you always say that you can't do it. So that is it. Last year, I know what I faced from different people. My money was took 2 times. I'm not going to lie to you. My money was took 2 times. But when I start working with you, whatever you said is the truth. If you can't do this, you always say that you can't do it. We never meet, we never see, but it's your hard working, it's your working, it's your work speak for you. So believe me, your work speak for you always, because people always say good about you. In aspect of money, I'm Africa. I'm Africa, to be sincere. I'm not a lazy person, but I'm Africa. My people have messed up of this job you are doing. Many people have messed up. They have taken a lot of money from people. People's earn, people's sweat. You understand? It's not easy. At least I've never met you, we didn't see, and I give you those money. So it's trust. Even you are a man of your word. Whenever I always say what you can make it possible. So I need to appreciate that.